vlookup using the formula of index match. So today I will explain and we will learn together about the tutorial of vlookup formula using the formula of index match, especially for Microsoft Excel. And I'm really sure that here all of you often use, especially on your uh, job or your work, will use the data from vlookup, because if you need to know about the data and the data is not on the main table, or and the data is not being the main reference from the table. So for example, if the main reference is using odd number, so the reference table will be on random positions on the table reference. So you need to know about the you need to know more about the table reference to look for the needs that you will input on the main table here. So the method or the solutions is by using the formula of index match with vlookup formula. So here we go, we will learn about this. Here are two tables, and it's like I think it's just a training table for us, and there are customer names, genders, domicile, and odd number from the table on your next or your right part here, or your right screen. And there is a main table that only search the odd numbers from customer's name, and we need to know, and we have to look for the customer name from the reference table, and that's the formula to look for the customer's name from the reference table with the odd numbers. So you can see here on your screens with using index formula with equal to sign index and then open the brackets, and you need to plug all of the reference table from another files or another sheets or another pages, and then do not forget to lock the table here. So you will see the symbol of dollars and comma. You need to input here a row number. So Vayana, because we need to know about Vayana in 106. So we need to know to type 7, because Viona is on the 7 rows or the table reference, and comma 1. 1 means that customer name is on the first column on the reference table, and then close the brackets. 106 and then enter will be Viona. So it is suitable with the table reference here. So I think it is impossible if you need to check one by one if the data has thousands customers name or thousands files or thousands, and we need to know about the automatically method to look for the customer's name or another files or another data. Okay, do not forget. Okay, match here, if you know, will be automatically look for match and then open the brackets A2 as the table here, 106 on the A2, the table that you look for, and then comma, and the column of odd number is from h1 until h11, and then do not forget to block and then comma and o 0. Okay, 0. It is about exact match, so this formula will display the suitable of data, and then comma and 1. So from the index formula we need to change the number of columns, number of rows from Fiona with match. Okay, with match formula by using a2 as the odd number that we need to look for, and then comma with the columns of odd numbers, that the same numbers or the same columns from the data that we look for from the main table, and then comma o or 0 as the exact match, and then close the brackets and comma still 1. 1 is customer's name. Okay, we will repeat the formula again. And equal to sign index open bracket, and we need to block the table reference or table array. Do not forget to type F4 to lock the data, and then match after comma, and then with all the numbers 102 this is from A3, and then comma block the column that has all the numbers, and then F4 to lock the table here, the columns, and then comma 0 as the exact match, and then close the brackets and comma column numbers, because the customer name is on the first or on the column number 1, and then close the brackets, and then you just click enter, so automatically Excel will display the results, and just drag down to copy the formulas without typing one by one manually. Okay, we will look for the domicile data. Equal to sign index, and open the brackets, table reference or table array, reference table, and then do not forget to lock the table array, and then comma match, and click the reference cell is from odd number A2 here, comma, and it's a lookup value from A2, and then lookup array domicile, because we need to know about the domicile, and then comma, and then do not forget to lock the column of domicile with F4, and then comma 0, and then open the bracket, comma, oh sorry, I think that sorry it's not about the columns of domicile, sorry, odd number, sorry, it's about the key cells, because we just have the odd number cells or odd number data, so we need to block the odd number cells and then lock with F4, comma, and then 0 as exact match, and then number 3, because domicile is on the 3 columns, the column of number 3 on the table reference or reference table of table array, and then close the brackets and enter. Okay, equal to sign index, and then open the brackets, A3, sorry, not, it is not A3, okay, A3, comma, and then table array, and then match with no numbers, and open the bracket with key cells, block a sorry, A3, comma, the odd numbers, column, and then comma, and 0 and 3. Oh, it's not valid, it's invalid, sorry, it's spill. I think there is a mistake. Oh, sorry, we do not need to type here. Sorry, it's a mistake here. We need to look for the mistakes. Index. Okay, we need to read one by one from the beginning of the formula. It's from index. Three. It's table array match. Okay. Oh, I think the mistake is here. Some A3. Oh, here. We do not need to type A3 on the index. Okay. Okay, from the table array, from the first table array, we do not need to input here. Okay, okay. Okay, 102 is Jakarta, 104 is Surabaya, and etc. Okay, that's the functions using vlookup combined with the formula of index match from Microsoft Excel. If you need to know about when you do not need use when you do not use the vlookup formula, you have table of reference or table array, and then you need to input the data with only current or certain keys, and then with the table array you need to know about the data that you look for. Okay, and that's a tutorial about this lesson from me. Good luck for trying. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.